Hello and welcome to this new video on how to run TikTok's ads. So if you're new, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser, go to the top of the web browser, and after that you just have to search for TikTok Pixel and press enter in the keyboard. After that, the first search result, you just have to click on that. That is TikTok's ad manager. And in the top right corner, there is a create ad section or a create ad button. Just click on the create ad button. And here is a login and sign up process. So firstly, you need to log in and sign up. And when you have logged in and signed up successfully, inside that there will be an create a new campaigns option. You just have to create a new campaigns and you need to create an ad group. And when you have created an ad group, you can just create a new ad, and they will also provide the features and facilities for you to measure your ad performance. And there is an inbuilt section in TikTok where you can just promote a certain video, but that will be more expensive. And if you go through the TikTok ad manager and if you set up and create an ad through this way, then it will be a lot cheaper and it will be more helpful for you as well. So this is how you can easily run TikTok ads. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up button. Thank you.